welcome to your 66-day fitness journey. This is day one and we've got an 8-minute leg and core workout for you. If you are new to exercise, don't have any equipment but want to get your fitness journey started, this is the place to be. So let's get started. We're going to wait for the timer to go 10 seconds and then we're going to go into squats. So you're going to bend at the knees, bring your hips to the floor, and then repeat for 30 seconds. Let's go. So down and up, down and up. Trying to get a nice bend at the knee, hips to the knee level. Keep your chest up and find a pace that works for you. You should get your heart racing. Your legs should start feeling the burn, and you should start breathing a little bit heavier just after this 30 seconds. Okay, we're going to rest for 30 seconds now, and then we're going into our next exercise, which is walking on the spot. So for this, you're going to bring your knee up to chest height and alternate the legs. So we're getting the core working here, as well as raising the legs and getting the heart rate up. Okay, we're going to wait for the 3, 2, 1, and go. So you can use your hands as a target, get your knees as high as possible, make sure you don't lose your balance, try and keep everything controlled, and just work through a nice full range of motion, getting the knees as high as you can. This workout is going to get your heart rate going, and you're going to work the muscles of the lower and core. Let's rest for 30 seconds before we go into our next exercise, which will be the alternating lunges. So we're going to step forward and then step back up. On the side, it looks like this. We're going to alternate legs. And when the timer starts, we go. Let's go. Alternating lunges. Left and right. Touch the back knee down to the floor if you can as you step out with the other foot. And just find a good rhythm, keeping your balance. This is testing both legs. Your quads, your big muscles at the top of the front of the leg. Your heart rate should be coming up, and we rest for 30 seconds. So next up, we're going to go to the floor for a Russian twist. And we're going to sit down, and you're going to keep your knees bent, chest upright. And once the timer starts, you're going to touch down on one side, come nice, big circle over to the other side, and repeat. So let's go, 3, 2, 1, touch down, one side, and then the other. Make sure you get a really good twist and rotation in the chest, touch either side. If you want to make this more challenging, you can lift your legs slightly off the floor. But for now, just make sure that you're working through a full range of motion, twisting one side to the other. Okay, rest. We've got 30 seconds of rest, and then we're going to go back through that circuit, and then that's it for today. That's day one started. You're on your fitness journey, and this program is going to get progressively harder so that you're challenging your fitness for 66 days, and you'll be amazed at the results by the end of it if you keep going. So 3, 2, 1, and back to squats. So again, just keep that nice pace. Feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Bend at the knees, the hips come down. Do whatever you like with your arms, whatever feels comfortable. Bring mine to my chest. From the side, you can see I'm trying to get my hip crease down to the same level as my knees. Just getting a good pace. Okay, Rest for 30 seconds before we go back to walking on the spot. If you found walking on the spot too easy, then I want you to pick up the pace this time and go a little bit faster, really get that heart rate up. This is the last round of today, so let's push it. Let's see how far you can go, what pace you can get with this one. And when we're ready, 2, 1, okay, let's go. Get those knees nice and high, engaging those core muscles, working the body, waking it up. Get your knees as high as possible with every step. Getting the heart rate up, improving your overall health and fitness. Okay, rest. And then we're going to do 30 seconds of rest, as you know by now, and we're going to do alternating lunges next. So that's where we step out, bring the back knee to the floor, and then push back up. Then we're going to alternate, so I'll go with my left leg forward, then my right leg forward, and we're going to start as soon as that buzzer goes. Okay, let's do it. Alternating lunges. Let's go. 30 seconds of work. Make sure you're nice and controlled. Focus on your balance and getting a really good quality movement. Step out and push back up. Back knee to the floor. Keep going. Should be nicely warmed up by now. And rest. Great. We've got one more exercise to do before we're done for today's session. We're going to build up our fitness, our strength. So come back down to the floor, bend in the knees, and chest nice and upright for our Russian twists. When that buzzer starts, we're going to touch down on one side, big swoop. Okay, let's go. Touch down, one side and then the other. Feel those core muscles working as you get a nice twist, working through the different planes of motion, of movement, making sure that we function well in every plane of movement so that we're resilient, strong, and ready for life. Well done. So that's it for today. Congratulations on getting day one started. We're going to continue your fitness journey every day. So I want you to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this session, and we're going to do another 8-minute workout tomorrow. We'll have different exercises. We need to work the full body. So tomorrow we'll look at the upper body and a bit more core work along the back, and we're going to get you fitter, stronger, improve your overall health and help you lose weight, reach your fitness goals this year. So we start small with good exercise snacks, and then we build up our resistance. We don't want to burn out straight away. We want to gradually increase our fitness over the days, weeks and months and years and build it into our healthy lifestyle. So please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it and you want more of the same tomorrow. See you then.